Alright, she's back together. Probably the last time this thing's ever going to be able to handle a crash. Let's test our, see, right, left, up, down. Okay. Well, give a little takeoff flaps there. And adjust my hat.
Nope, she still flies.
Yeah, she's still flying. She wants to go down a little bit.
At least you got landing down pretty good.
Yeah, that worked out pretty nice. I definitely need more prop. And she's way out of adjustment, man. She wanted to dive like crazy. So I mean, I was holding stick back almost all the time. So I'll do a couple adjustments and see what we get from there. Cool. Using the new radio. Knock on wood, right? Thanks for watching. Last time probably for this Corvalis, huh? Except unless I get to do a night flight ever. That would be kind of neat. Later.